As of 2026, DoorDash has expanded its SNAP or EBT program to all 50 states and Washington, D.C., making it easier than ever for SNAP recipients to order eligible groceries online. If you use EBT, you can now add, update, and manage your EBT card directly inside the DoorDash app, allowing you to shop from participating grocery stores without leaving home. To update your EBT card on DoorDash, open the app and go to Account, then tap Payment Methods. Here, you'll see all saved payment options, including your SNAP, EBT card. Select the EBT card you want to update and edit the required details, such as the card number or PIN. Make sure your name, address, and personal details match your EBT registration, or the update may fail. If you're adding a new EBT card, go to Account, then Payment Methods, then Add Payment Method, choose EBT card, and enter your information. DoorDash protects EBT users with end-to-end encryption and real-time fraud monitoring, ensuring your benefit information stays secure. Looking ahead, DoorDash is testing features like voice-activated card updates, automated expiration alerts, and direct integration with state benefit systems to make EBT management even smoother.